Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to know some detailed information about how to answer this particular question. I know in lot of interviews, this question might bring up a very monotonous answers, like they might say that they will deal with criticism as much as how they are positive within themselves. Now, I have jotted down a few of the points which might be helpful for you to take them as examples and answer them in your interviews. Now let us see what are those points of how you can answer about dealing with your feedbacks or criticism in the work environment. Number one is controlling your gestures and reactions. Now, you can tell the interviewer that you will be very self-aware and be very conscious enough before revealing your gestures or your reactions toward the other employee or the manager who is ahead of you. Number two is don't take it personally. Now, in a workspace, you should be very professional enough and make sure that you are taking that particular feedback or criticism in a very positive manner. In henceforth, you will be not taking it personally and answering back in a professional level. Number three is asking for an alternative. Now you can tell the interviewer that you will be asking for an alternative or another solution or another plan where it will be helpful for you to grow or come out of that particular criticism or the feedback that you have faced. Number four is apologize. Now, if you have done something wrong or if you have mistakenly done something which is not appropriate enough in that particular workspace, I highly recommend you to use this particular point to make sure or enable the interviewer know that you are ready to take that step of apology and humble yourself in the workspace. Now, if you are more rude or arrogant enough, that will make the interviewer think that you won't bend down to the rules or you won't listen to the rules or abide with the rules of the company. Apologizing will not make you less than a human. So please make sure that you are humbling yourself and apologizing for the mistake that you have done. Number five is cultivating your acceptance. Now, what does this mean? It only means that you will be accepting what is going on in the workspace and it might be your mistake or not, but being the part of the company, you should make sure that you belong to that company and you have owned it as your own. So you have to be answering to the interviewer that you will be taking up the responsibility or the part or the role where you can help the company or help that particular workspace to get into some solution, so that it will make the interviewer feel that you are able to take some initiative, either or it is your problem or not. So it will give a very positive impact that you are a person who takes initiative in getting the work done or getting solutions done for the workspace. Number six is don't rush with your answers. Now, when you are answering such type of questions, usually you feel that you have to give only positive impact to the interviewer. Now, this is a very wrong sense of understanding, because giving rushful answers might make the interviewer feel that you are not aware of what you are, or you are not aware of your capabilities or your abilities within you. So please make sure that you are giving your answers straight to the point and very conveniently. Number seven is giving more data. Now, giving data means that you are giving very much specific information to the interviewer, that how far you can go to help or how far you can abide under the rule of taking that responsibility. So in that way or in that sense, you are giving the interviewer a very clear understanding or a clear perspective of your thought and action at the same time. Next, acceptance of the change. Accepting the change really means that you have known what is going on and still you have to make a move to progress. Accepting change doesn't mean that you have just stuck up in that situation or just bringing a negative impact to the company or the workspace. You are accepting it and still willing to move forward. That means that you are a person who can make sure that on your part are very positive taker. This will bring the interviewer to a conclusion that you can get accustomed to any sort of situation that they will be placing you further. Next, it is paying attention. When you pay attention to detail, you will know how far you can take up that particular problem. If somebody has criticized you or given a feedback, that doesn't mean that there is something wrong that you have done. It means that there is a need of progress to be done. So you will be telling the interviewer that you will be first listening to that particular criticism or feedback and then take particular steps and then further bring solutions accordingly. Last but not the least, it is being thankful. Now, not everybody comes up saying some criticized words or some feedback on your face. There are some people who would step back because they might not want to have conflicts with the employees among. So there are very few people who would come up on face and tell you what the things are going wrong with your work profile. So please make sure that you are being much thankful enough so that you are having a mind of gratitude or an attitude of humbleness, so that will make the interviewer feel that you are able to adjust and accommodate with the other employees as well in regard to any sort of situation that you are facing. This will make the interviewer feel that you can be adaptable enough and be comfortable enough in your workspace. Well, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video is helpful for you all. These points are just a brief information so that you can collect some of them and put it in your resume or answer them in the interview. Now, I would like to tell you all that to share it with your friends, whoever is going to take up an interview anytime soon. Also, like this video, if you have any questions which you want us to answer, please make sure that you put it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning videos and placement videos from Freshers Now. Thank you.